Hello, let me show you the best features, some tips and tricks for your camera on Nothing Phone 2a+. So first of all, when you are in the photo mode and you want to take the photos, and as you can see the brightness is outside there's like too much brightness, you can actually adjust it manually by clicking on the screen, and now it will adjust automatically. But you can also do this manually. Take a look. Once you actually click on the screen, you can find the sun icon. And when you are gonna swipe up, you can actually increase brightness or swipe down to decrease. So this is like very useful option to adjust brightness manually or automatically. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can for sure do this with this gesture by pinching screen. But in my opinion, this one works a little bit better. So you will have to click and hold with your finger like that. And now you can smoothly zoom in with this slider. So you don't have to use your two fingers, you can do this with your single finger. And this is the quality of the maximum zoom range. So it's not that bad, we can try to catch focus, and now it looks even better. If you want to take photos with more details, then I can highly recommend you to click right here and use 50 megapixel mode. Take a look. Now I'm gonna take the photo of this one, and when I'm gonna zoom in after the post-processing, take a look how many details we can find here. There's the structure of the SIM card, some pieces of the dust. Next, if you want to add a camera timer and take the photos with the shutter delay, for sure you can do this right here with this countdown and also with the glib interface. So it's really useful when you put the phone in front of you like this, right? So we can actually follow this timer in this place. So the glibs are actually automatically synchronized with your phone application. And you can also take the motion photos right here by clicking on this switcher. I'm gonna actually get rid of this shutter, there we go. So now I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. Now when the photo was taken, you can just open the gallery and take a look right here, you can find the preview, and this is short animation. You can also cover this into the GIF, and that's how we can actually use this feature. Now when we go into the settings, we can find some interesting options, like for example, we can use this option, tap to take the photo. So it works like this, that I'm gonna show it right now. I'm gonna increase the brightness and take a look. Now when I'm gonna click on the screen, the phone gonna automatically adjust brightness and take the photo. So I don't have to do like anything, just simply point the phone into the object and then click on the screen and the photo, and all parameters will be captured. Next, right here, we can also find this option to take the series of the photos. So now on the shutter, we have to simply click and hold, and the phone gonna take 20 photos. When you open gallery, we can find all of them right here. Now when you go to the video mode, we can also capture them in the 4K, but if you want to get more smoothness, then you should actually lower resolution to the full HD and get 60 frames per second. If you want to slow down your videos, you can also use dedicated slow motion videos. You can capture videos in the full HD in 120 frames per second. Then we can also find the expert mode that allows us to take the photos in the RAW photo format. And we can adjust all of these parameters like exposure compensation, ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus range. And in my opinion, this is like all features that you can use in this smartphone. Maybe the last tip for you, that you can also use the volume buttons, the volume up and down, to take the photos. So you can click one of the button or even click and hold it if you set the series of the photo. That will be all.